What's the point in having all this delicious food if you've got nothing nice to serve it on? I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful hardwood cheese board, all on your own. Today I'm using power tools to do this project, but if you've got hand tools at home, you can use those as well. You can get some amazing looking timber from Bunnings. Choose your timber wisely, it will last you a lifetime and look absolutely fantastic. The first thing we're going to do is glue the two pieces of hardwood together. Simply run the glue down the edge, clamp the two pieces together and let it sit. We're joining two pieces together to make a larger piece because I'm going to make an octagon out of mine, but you can make any shape at all you like. Be creative. Now that my glue is dry, I'm going to measure off a square. I've secured the miter saw to the bench top. Now it's time to cut the timber to size. In order to measure out my shape, the first thing I've got to do is find the centre of the board. Now that I've measured and marked, it's time to cut out the shape. Now that the shape's cut out, it's time to give it a sand so that it's smooth all over. Then we're going to finish it off with an oil. It's really important to use a food grade oil because obviously you'll be eating off it. The oil brings out the grain and richness of the timber and makes it look fantastic. Repeat the oiling process until you're really happy with the finish. I've done mine about 4 times. There you go, all finished. One fantastic cheese board made by you. All we need to do now is head off into the kitchen, find a place to put it.
Check out the Bunnings website for step-by-step instructions and all the tools and materials you'll need, or you can keep watching for more DIY projects and ideas.